Now I chuckle a little bit when people talk about the cloud because frankly there's a number of names that have been utilized in the past for this: ASP, remote server, SaaS, just simply online. The fact of the matter is we've actually had products in the cloud, if you will, since 1998. So it's quite encouraging for us to see really all the interest the last couple of years. It pretty much has exploded. We have a large number of customers now moving across to our online applications in the cloud.
In our case, for example, we view it a couple different ways. There is web-based with a SaaS, of course, and then there is the broad use of the cloud, which is running on hardware facilities sometimes that are known only to the provider. And I don't think many of the tax firms are working along those lines quite yet. From our standpoint, we run on private dedicated servers that we provide. I would see someday we would move to the cloud more broadly. But our approach has been, in fact, even if you're not comfortable with entering the Social Security number, you don't need to do that within our application. So we understand that there's an adoption curve, but ultimately it's all in the user's best interest to be in the cloud for convenience, just as you say.
We do most 70% of our support is via chat. So we're not even on the phone. People are just opting in, they like chat. And they're giving us these high scores, mid-60s, saying that we have the best service they've ever seen. And I hear that all the time. Satisfaction ratings are 5. And it's because the people that are doing the chat have all the tools because the data is in the cloud. And so if you take that back to the accounting firm and your staff uses Bill.com, right, when they're able to do it, they're able to give a big part of the support because they can see all the data, right? And they only have to call us because there's something going on that doesn't make sense, right? So I think it's huge. I think it's a huge way to create better experience for everybody involved.
Well, one of the biggest things that we've done over the past year has been to strategically team with cloud and SaaS and paperless vendors to be able to get together and really focus on integration, but also education. So we've kind of taken the approach of, a scanner is really just that on-ramp to the cloud, but once you get the document up in the cloud, what are you going to do with it? So by teaming with other partners in the accounting space, we've really been able to put together an end-to-end solution and really focus on educating CPAs on the benefits of these types of technologies and most importantly, making it simple for them to use. We're calling the group the Cloud Solutions Alliance, and it's really a consortium of different vendors in the accounting space that we've just sort of looked at each other and realized that we're approaching CPAs with the same message: productivity, paperless, cloud, SaaS technologies. So we've gotten together and really just sort of done some co-marketing initiatives. We've done a research project with Bay Street Group on top 100 firms adopting new technologies like SaaS and cloud and paperless. We've really just focused on education. And so this group has gotten together and really started to make a little bit of a splash in the accounting space.
So tell us who's in this group.
Well, we have a group put together including SpeedTax, XCM, SmartVault, Fujitsu. We're going to be announcing a new player next week at an event in Las Vegas at the TechPrac event.
This would be a great time.
This would be a great time. We'll be announcing that FreshBooks is coming on board.
Great.
And I forgot Copanion, but Copanion as well. So that's kind of the Cloud Solutions Alliance right there.
So some really good